Hello everyone and welcome in new tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Google Chrome theme or background super quickly. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to support the video by giving it a like. So once you open Google Chrome, what you want to do is click the Customize Chrome button down in the bottom right corner. Next, go to Change Theme and you'll see a bunch of different pictures and backgrounds you can choose from. For example, I'll go with this category and pick this picture, and as you can see, the background instantly changes. Now, if you've got your own picture or even a GIF that you would like to use, just click Upload Image. Select the one you want and hit Open. And just like that, your background is updated. Personally, I think it looks even better if I switch it to dark mode, just like this. As you can see, it looks a lot more professional and just overall cleaner than light mode. And here we are. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.